Huwag magtataka itong Barangay Ginebra kung biglang bumulusok ito si Devon Hart. So watch out for him.
Well, at least that's an early chink in his armor na nakikita natin. Limpot is open and he gets the first 2 points of Barangay Ginebra. Ito po ang batang Red Bull. Sabi ko nga, ito si Raimundo, miski nung hiling, miski na Santa Lucia to trade. Eh, ayaw nilang ibigay sa Raimundo. What a move from the main man. The big deal.
Alam mo, partner, pwede natin sabihin itong Araneta Coliseum is like an NBA arena.
Oh, yes.
State of the art ito pa kay Vergel Meneses.
At iniupo niya si Val David. So this is a big lineup. Lusot
Yes.
si Meneses. Oh! Reverse. Yan.
Again, partner, Barangay Ginebra taking too long to set the table. Ito yung tira. Yes!
Miski nung bangga kay Meneses.
When he's there, down low. Ito na si Meneses. He's not being double teamed and he's going to get away with another 2 points.
Patay
Yes!
na. Patay na.
Kung hindi mo i-double team ito si
Outlet Capasio off the glass pero masyadong matulis. Outlet, Meneses, open court. Here's the aerial Voyager! Yes!
in the Australian League partner and also played for Eastern Michigan in the US.
Well, we're certainly going to expect that one. Samantala, si Vergel Meneses getting away with that layup.
Staff and all the front office personnel of Batang Red Bull.
Less than a minute remaining. Limpot, kinarga ang bola. Oh, what a move. Bit niya. Away from Devon Harp and the lead is up to 7 points now with 35 seconds remaining. Pugade. He has not showed a thing. Laban kay Meneses. Now he goes up. Finally gets a basket.
Partner, medyo napabayaan yun ni Vergel Meneses. Vergel Meneses to play him that loose. Dapat yung talagang didikitan.
14 seconds na lamang po nalalabi sa first half. Ginebra on top by 5, trying to take the last crack at the basket.
Ito, kita mo.
4 seconds.
Widely scattered.
Wala na.
Yung offense.
And that'll do it para sa ating first 24 minutes ng opening day ng 25th year of the PBA. Barangay Ginebra behind the big three. Limpot.
Val David.
Nanganganib na si Alex Lizano but he still remains in the game. Limpot gets away again and Jun Limpot just making mincemeat out of the defense. Again at the end of the game, we'll name a Super Full Concealed Tapal King as well as our best players. Samantala, Jun Limpot showing. Tuloy kay Lago. Abante si Meneses.
Ito yung hustle ng Barangay Ginebra.
Oh, he's away!
Oh, yes!
Oh, yes, sir! Woo!
Ito na.
PBA Wars.
Work ethic ni Wilmer Ong.
Oh, yeah, bad pass by Valenzuela. As we saw the statistics
Hey,
by
tama naman.
Tight, and again.
What a move by Jun Limpot.
This may be his breakout year. He wants to prove that perhaps he can lead a team to a championship. Never led Santa Lucia to the finals, and watch this. Going away, faking 2 people, and he is gone. The big deal, Big Jun Limpot.
When he posts up. So he'd rather take the ball from outside, moving in.
Oh, yes, sir. Niyukuan na at huli. Pero naiper.
Pamalayo pa to.
Meneses, he has hardly taken a shot here in the fourth. Now he takes it. Oh, parang inilalagay lamang.
Partner hit.
Lago nakalusot, 3-on-1. Nilaglag kay Limpot. He goes the reverse. Yes, sir. Jun Limpot with
2 post defenders. Ito, panuorin natin. Ang ganda ng pasa niya. Oh. Tinignan niya si Vives Idadice, but all the while he wanted Jun Limpot